And the state health department says it's identified about 20 sites across Texas that are actually going to be the first to vaccinate people when the Pfizer vaccine gets approved. And these are likely to be healthcare workers. Our very own Anastasia Bolton has more tonight.
Pfizer appears to be on track to be the first to offer the COVID-19 vaccine. The company has picked Texas as one of the states to test its distribution. The vaccine has to be stored at minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit, a challenge Texas says it's prepared for.
We're definitely ready.
Imelda Garcia is the chair of the COVID-19 Expert Vaccine Allocation Panel at the Department of State Health Services, a 17-member group that guides vaccine distribution in Texas.
With the Pfizer vaccine, the plan is to pre-position sites across Texas so that as soon as we do get approval, we would be able to start vaccinating relatively quickly with that federal guidance.
Garcia said the panel has identified about 20 sites across the state, but wasn't ready to share where they were, as some logistics were still being finalized.
In order to be a pre-positioned site, they had to have a deep freezer. They had to be a healthcare system that had over 1,000 healthcare workers. So being able to easily meet, one of the top tier populations that CDC's laid out. And they also had to be able to store 1,000 doses.
Garcia said the panel is close to releasing the list of who will get the vaccine and in what order.
The unknown piece right now is really what will the Texas allocation be, initially. So depending on the flow of the vaccine and how much we get at one time will determine how quickly we're able to move through different essential workers and start moving to the more general population.
Garcia said the state will be sharing COVID-19 vaccine efforts with the public. What that will look like is still being figured out. I'm Anastasia Bolton.
And Garcia, whom you heard from there in that story, said the vaccine is another way to fight the pandemic, but urges Texans to continue to wear those masks.